Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Bellover Auto Spa. In this video, this product we're testing out is a not so new product from Koch Chemie. Their Nano Magic Shampoo. Now this is a wash and coat product. I've reviewed many wash and coat products on this channel. Some do what they say, some don't. Some you gotta use undiluted pretty much to get it to work. Comment below if you know what I'm talking about. But I got Nano Magic Shampoo. So I've been eyeballing this for a while. It is a bit pricey. But I luckily, so the reason I have the vintage wax man stuff here, the owner of this company, Dana, he was selling this completely brand new, unopened, unused, and he even taped the cap for me, which is awesome. So thank you, Dana. I just wanted to give him a shout out. I've reviewed their products before. You can check that out on my channel. Also, check out his website, vintagewaxman.com, if you're into simplicity, old school style waxes. He's got a really nice scent for all these. I think he sells the scent as well if you want just the scent. So he's got a pretty good thing going, honestly. It's not the most popular at the moment, but I think, for the show car crowd where it really fits in, show car vintage, he nailed it. Anyways, enough about that. So Koch Chemie Nano Magic Shampoo, it's a wash and coat product. The few videos I've seen, it does work, but I want to test it out for myself. It doesn't look like it's like super strong beating like CarPro's Hydro Foam or Meguiar's previous hybrid ceramic wash and wax. Didn't really like the new one. But it does look like it at least, decent beating, fast sheeting, so that's what we're going to see. So they don't recommend to use this in a foam cannon, so I'm not. It says hand washing, add 50 milliliters to 10 liters of water. Clean the vehicle with a pad or washing mitt and rinse off water. To prevent lime scale stains, use a cloth to wipe off the remaining water. Can also, it does say it can be applied with a foam cannon. So you know what? All right, let's apply it with a foam cannon. Let me grab a foam cannon and we'll get it filled up. All right, not using the MJJC because it's currently filled with an acid because I'm going to acid wash the car. I just wanted to do this video real quick. So it's 50 milliliters of 10 liters of water. So a bucket. What, a 5-gallon bucket is what? I'm having a brain fart. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, so my 3-gallon, there's approximately 4 to 5 liters in a gallon of water. Let's go with 4. So I've got about 2.5 gallons of water in my bucket. That's going to be 20, so I'll need about a little over 100 milliliters in my wash bucket. In here, though, it doesn't give freaking foam cannon dilutions, so that's fun. I've only got 200 milliliters of water in here, so it does come with a red plug that just comes off the cap. That's cool. Smell-wise, it's got a kind of a tropical fruit scent. I don't know what the scent is. I'm bad with identifying scents, but it's definitely a sweeter scent. Unlike the rest of their products, which seem to be more cologne fresh scents. But let's do here, because generally with foam cannon dilutions, about what you'd put in 5 gallons of water is about what you put in foam cannon. So these are little 30 milliliter cups. I'm just gonna add 30 mils there. So got this nice lime neon color. Got the $20 Amazon foam cannon retrofitted with a weighted tube. Done a video on that as well. Screw on there. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, the back of the car is very flat, so I'm going to foam half of it and hand wash the other. We'll see if it makes any difference. So let's go. All right, so first we'll just show the water behavior. This has been pre-washed, but it hasn't been contact washed. All right, water is pretty flat on the very rear. So I'm going to foam this side. We're going to see if just foaming makes any difference. Get out of the way of the camera. All right, got it on max foam. Let's see what kind of foam we get. pretty thick. Granted, I probably used a higher dilution ratio than most, but stuff does foam, as you can see. So we're going to rinse and we're going to see if that made any difference. And we'll put it in a bucket and contact wash. To see if you can use this as like a last step protectant, you know what I mean? Yeah, look at that. Water's sheeting right away and we haven't even actually contact washed it yet. It looks like it kind of worked its way over to the other side. So let's get this in the bucket and we'll just see how it is contact wash, if it makes any major improvement. All right, so my math may be completely off, but I think I need a little over 100 milliliters of this. So there's 30 mils, right? Yeah, okay. My math is wrong, go ahead and comment below. My math sucks, usually. There's 30, 60, 90, 120. Good enough. I'd rather be over than under. It's a little strong, not a big deal. In my opinion, anyways. Oh, it smells so good. Foam it up. Grab my wash mitt. And let's go take a look at it. All right, so pay attention to this area over here. It's still more flat, so I'm going to wash the whole back side of the car. Yeah, nice and slick. Nothing like insanely slick, but you know, definitely slick enough where you feel safe washing the car. All right, put it in the rinse bucket and let's see how this is. No, not bad. Nothing insane, but what I've noticed about Koch Chemie products is if they're either really good or they are above average. I'm happy with these results. These aren't the best results in the world, but they're not bad. They're not just meh. They're good results. Look, all the water sheeted away. And you may like this sheeting style more, so something pretty neat. But yeah, pretty good stuff. Let's get back over the table. All right, so Koch Chemie Nano Magic Shampoo works well, leaves a good shine. Now that car is ceramic coated, but that back panel was struggling. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing an acid wash after this, but you know, overall, I'm happy with those results. What we got, excuse me. You can use it as a last step protectant if you want. Foam it on, rinse it off, save you some time. Or you can use it in your contact wash process, however you want to use it. But they do have this on detailed image. I've got a 10% discount code. I don't know if it works for Koch Chemie though. And they're also on Amazon, so I'll post an Amazon link. I know most people prefer that. But that's all I got for you guys in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I appreciate everybody that interacts with the channel, buys things, however, free, not free, any support. I definitely appreciate it. But I will see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.